here, and I have a question to ask you. With the continually terrible lowball offers that DoorDash pushes out, did the Decline Now movement fail? Welcome to the Hannibal is Hungry YouTube channel. And yes, my name is actually Hannibal. In this channel, we talk about a lot about the gig economy game. If you're interested, subscribe. So, I'm about to go pick up some pizza, so let's talk about it. For the uninitiated, basically it became a public mainstream movement of DoorDashers who figured out that if you deny lowball offers, DoorDash base pay gets larger to a sustainable, decent amount of money. They say $7 and above only. Anything lower than that, you're insulting yourself. Don't bother doing it. Top dashers, they all suck. Don't do it, and you'll make more money. That's the whole basis of Decline Now movement. It basically took a life of its own. A couple of mainstream newspapers talked about it. I think Vice.com talked about it. So it became very public. So what did DoorDash do about the Decline Now movement? Well, it looks like we're all noticing it, where DoorDash is hiding tips even more than ever before. Hiding low amounts as much as 50 cents. I took an order where they hid 50 cents as a hidden tip. Hiding tips to get people to accept lower offers for the chance of getting more money in a total payout. So it's DoorDash not being transparent with their drivers. And it got even worse to a point where it's been announced that top dashers can receive better, higher offers, $35 and above, I believe, or $30, I believe, and above, as top dashers. So basically taking away the biggest offers from regular dashers who decide to exercise their right to decline trash offers. And also, DoorDash continually hiring more drivers, making sure that referral fee is pretty high, to get more and more people who don't know what's going on to sign on to the platform to become top dashers, to keep taking terrible offers. Because when you're new, you don't know what's going on, so you're more susceptible of being taken advantage of. Let me go pick up this pizza and we could talk about answer this question to the best of our ability. Did Decline Now work, or did it fail? Hello. Good. Greg for DoorDash? Yes. Thank you. You too. Take care. So, has DoorDash changed any of their policy to increase the base rate and give people a livable wage? And I'll have to say no. Nothing really changed. DoorDash still continues to put $3 offers. They even got to a point where they're putting out $0 offers as a way of saying, well, it's just a bug or a glitch. But it happens so often, it must be a really serious glitch. So nothing really changed. They provide challenges, rarely, particularly in my market, and their monthly challenges is getting more and more ridiculous. They want you to do 600 deliveries, was it last month? So nothing really changed in that regard. And, you know, unfortunately, that's just the way it is. I mean, think about it. More and more of us are complaining about our offers being reduced. Our incomes are getting lower and lower. Some people are looking for new jobs. Some people are looking to find other ways to make money. DoorDash seems to be drying up. I haven't checked the stock market, but I think even some of the investors who believed in DoorDash in the past aren't necessarily thrilled about it right now. Restrictions are getting lower. People are going outside. People are spending less money on delivery. They're going outside to enjoy, for many people, the first time to go outside and hang out with your friends and go out to a restaurant. So it doesn't look very well for us long term. So, were there any positives about the DoorDash Now movement? Well, let's talk about that. There you go. Have a good night. positives of the Doordash. Why do I keep saying Doordash now? The positives of the Decline Now movement. Awareness for many drivers that was afraid of having low acceptance rates, looking at the warnings on the Doordash app and getting afraid, worried about being deactivated, even though in the documents Doordash puts out that acceptance rate is not a big deal, but many people still feel that way because of the warnings on the app. And people make way more money being introduced into the movement before. So awareness is important. And also, through some of the public mainstream press covering it, some, not a lot, but some Doordash customers realize the amount of money that we're getting paid. And it's a problem. So those things were benefits. But right now, Doordash doesn't seem to be too hurt by the idea. They're still doing what they want to do. They're still putting low offers out there, and they're still putting these $0 offers out there. They're going to push making being a top dasher more lucrative, or they want more top dashers out there than people who decline. That's as simple as that. That's what they want. They want a full-time employee without any of the benefits of having a full-time employee, or benefits for us, right? Unfortunately, due to so many different factors, especially right now during the summer, I don't see any end in sight. Doordash is always going to care more about their shareholders and the people who pay them the most money, the customers in the restaurants. We are basically the very last bit of the wrong here. We are not as important. I just don't think they care, because they can always get more people to do the job. They can always put out $700 referral fees to get more people to do what we do. I just don't see any end in sight. But tell me what you guys think. Put in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay hungry.